Welcome back to another video, guys. So this is the Amazon and AliExpress haul I started and I ran out of time, so yeah, I'm going to finish it now. So first I'll start with Amazon. I've got myself my usual swatch sticks. This is a pack of 200 and it is just my usual stiletto swatch sticks. This is 200 and every pack of 50 you get a ring. So there's 4 packs in here, 4 packs of 50 and 4 rings. Yeah, I get 200 for $6.99, but you have to grab them because when this particular seller goes out of stock, he's out of stock for about 2 months. So last month I had to buy some different swatch sticks that were slightly shorter, which I wasn't happy about. My OCD hates having anything that doesn't match. So yeah, got some more of them. I might even grab another pack whilst he's got them in stock. So yeah, we've got my swatch sticks. Right, we'll stick with Amazon first, I think. Right, I got some glitters off Amazon. Yeah, I'll leave them in the pack. So it's 4, 8, 12, 16. And these first ones, right, so that is a pot of tiny shards of silver holographic mylar. Looks nice. And then these ones here is silver hollow, but it starts off ultra fine. Then we've got fine. Then these are a bit bigger cut. And then we've got the tiny hexes, a little bit bigger hexes. So yeah, I like that, how it goes from really fine and the cut gets bigger. And then we've got silver dots, and then we've got 4-pronged stars. So that's them 8. And then these 8 are just like multi-mix, iridescent and holographic. I can see holographic in there as well. Yeah, they're just like they've got tiny shards of mylar in with them, I can see. Yeah, I quite like them. They're very colourful, aren't they? Very colourful. So yeah, they were off Amazon. I really like this one. Can you see all the little shards of mylar in amongst them as well? Yeah, I like them. So we got them glitters off Amazon. And also off Amazon, I got these. I didn't know these came in little plastic trays. These are really cool. Get rid of that box. Yeah, I didn't know they come in little plastic trays. So 3, 6, 9, 12 in a tray. And this first tray is all mylar. So we've got a gold holographic and a silver holographic. And then we've got colours. This one's a bit of a like chameleon one. Really bizarre colour, that one. So yeah, there's 12 different colours of mylar. Like these trays have got lids. And do you know something? For a change, the pots are full. Normally, you put the pot on its side and it's half full. All these pots are full. Yeah, so there's them 12. And then these 12. And these, again, are like multi-mix, hex mix. These are not like them ones with the shards of mylar in them. These are just like hex mix, but they've got a fine in with them as well. All different colours. I like this one. It's got all holographic in that one. Cool. I like this orange and yellow and pink. Yeah, so there's them. I'm loving these plastic cases. I buy these plastic cases, empty plastic cases, to put all my sequins and stuff, so they're perfect. So yeah, there's quite a load of glitter there from Amazon. Right, what else have we got from Amazon? Right, I got these bottles. In my last haul, let me get these out first. Yeah, in my last haul, I bought a pack of alcohol inks, metallic alcohol inks. Like these, they come in the same bottles as these, but metallic. And I decant them into these bottles. Like, these are 2 of my normal inks. Can you see? I put my inks into them. So I got myself another 5 to put some metallic ink. So I can do like a gold, a silver, a bronze, maybe a rose gold, and a spare one, really. So yeah, I like them for my alcohol inks. I think I might do a little video trying those metallic alcohol inks, because I've never tried metallic alcohol inks. Do a little swatch or something with them, see what they're like. Right, I think everything else is AliExpress now. Oh no, these are from Amazon as well. So I've got these gold stickers, like, it comes in a pack of 6. So they're all gold. So that one's snakeskin, and that's snakeskin as well, but like a bigger print, slightly different. And then we've got a zebra one, and I think that one is more of a tiger stripe, isn't it? That's the zebra one, and that's like a tiger stripe. These are so cool. We've got another zebra one, very similar, but I think they're wider stripes, aren't they? I think I prefer these kind of zebras where they flick off into a point. And then this one, I think this is my favourite one actually. It's a mixture of like leopard, zebra, maybe tiger. I really like that one. So they're cool. I really like them. Right, now I think this last couple of items is AliExpress. So what we got? Oh, we've got some more snakeskin stickers, guys. So this is a pack of 12. Should we just get through them? So that's the gold, but it's like a champagne gold, a really light gold. I like that. And then we've got like the proper yellow gold. Cool. Ooh, then we've got, that's like a lilac, purpley pink. And it's got that holographic pattern. I like them. Then we've got like a pinky peachy. They're so cool. They've got like a colour shift going on. Can you see it? Oh, they're pretty. Then we've got like a yellowy, orangey one. These are smart. And then this one's like, these are so difficult to describe. They've got colour shift, but you can't kind of see it, but you can see it. These are so cool. This has got like a rainbow in the background, but the sticker is actually black, I think. Wow. Then we've got that greeny blue one. Can you see the shifts? Ooh, these are nice. Then we've got that one. Wow, look at that. Gold metallic, but it's got a rainbow shift on that one. Then we've got this blue metallic. That's like a light blue and a dark blue. Pink. Wow. And then we've got a white. I wonder if that's glow in the dark. Even that's got like a rainbow shift in the background. Can you see it? These are so cool. I really like them. Right, what else have we got? We've got some foils. So these are from AliExpress as well. So let's just flick through these quickly. I'm so sorry if you can hear children playing outside. They're so noisy. Right, so we'll start off. We've got, let me get a white background for these. A better white background that's not shiny. So we've got this purple one. Got a bit of hollow going on. And then we've got that same again, but in pink. And then we've got it in blue. Then we've got it in black. So we've got it in pink, purple, blue and black. I like them. Then there's this one. That's purple, really pale purple, with a hollow through it again. Cool. Then we've got this blue, kind of like a 3D store, kind of. That's nice. This is my favourite. I love this one. This is the whole reason I bought this set, for that pink checkered. It's like pink Burberry almost, isn't it? I love that. Then we've got this one. It's just a holographic kind of diamond netting type thing. I love this one as well, guys. Like red tartan. I love that. And then lastly, is this the last one? Yeah, we've got like a black and silver hollow. Look at the hollow on that. So that's my foils. Right, and then also from AliExpress, I got myself a couple more drill bits. I've got loads of coarse, loads of medium, but I didn't own a single fine drill bit. So I got myself this fine flame bit, and I got myself a fine small flame, like cuticle bit. Yeah, I didn't have any fine bits at all, so I grabbed myself a couple of those. Right, and then I got a stamping plate. It's a Halloween one. So that's the brand there, Meserdou, and it's C84. I will leave links to everything anyway, like I always do. This is a cool plate. It's got all sorts on there. I love the boo and the bloody hand. Look, it's got poison, blood drips, cobwebs. It's got all sorts. Witch on a broomstick. I love the moon with the bats. All sorts on here. Drink up, witches. It's got another hand. Teeth and fangs. Trick or treat. Cute little ghosts. Loads of blood splatters and stuff. Yeah, I like that one. That's a cool one. I do like that one. Right, couple more things. I got myself some gold gems. These are glass. These are they're not see-through, they're just completely gold metallic. These are not the ones I wanted. I haven't got any of these, so I'm still happy with them. But the colour I wanted was more of like maybe that kind of gold, like a duller kind of gold. I can't explain it, but yeah, this is not the gold I thought they was going to be. But like I said, I still like them. I haven't got any of this colour, so, and the glass, which is nice. So yeah, I'll still get loads of use out of them. I'll just have to try again and see what colour turns up next time. Anyway, right, this is the last items now. I got myself some more rings for my practice hands. I got these silver ones because I thought these would be brilliant for over Halloween. So I'll quickly show you what I got. Got that one. Should I put them on? And these are quite small as well. My practice hands from AliExpress, my favourite ones, are tiny. So these are going to be perfect. That's got like a little stone in it. I like this one. This one's cool. Yeah, these are going to be cool for Halloween, aren't they? Then we've got just a plain little band. I like this one. Oh, sugar. It's like a black arrow with a feather on it. Stick that on there. That's just a plain band as well. Stick that on there. Oh shit, that one's falling off. Right, then we've got this one. Yeah, these are going to be nice for Halloween time, I think, with dark purples and dark greens and blacks. These will be a lot better than gold ones. That one, stick you, oh shit. There, so that's all the silver ones. Yeah, they're going to be so much better for Halloween than gold ones, aren't they? And I think they're only a couple of quid. Couple of quid at the most. I like them. Right, should we have a look at the gold ones quickly? Right, so let's have a look at these gold ones. Right, so we've got this. It's got like a snake on it. Don't want to get any of these ones stuck. Then we've got a couple of little... Where's that band one? So that's just like a plain band kind of one. That's cute. It's like opal. Can you see inside that stone? It's got like tiny little opal flakes. That's quite cute. Put you on the middle. This one's really sparkly. I like that. The gems in it are really sparkly. I like that. Put you on there. This one's got that opal going on inside it as well, same as that one. Can you see the opal inside them? Cute, aren't they? That one's got the opal inside it as well. I like these. These are cute. That's just a plain sparkly one. That's sparkly. That's got teeny weeny little sparklies in that one. That might fit on my thumb. Yeah, that's a big one. And then my favourite, we've got a snake, a slithering sneaky snake. So that's the gold ones. Again, they were only a couple of quid, but they just make your pictures look so much nicer with rings on. So yeah, that's them ones. I think that's it. I think we're through it all. Are we through it all? Yes, we are. That's it for today, guys. Until next month. That's my Amazon and AliExpress haul. Yeah, all links will be below. If I do miss anything, please ask me. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, guys, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss any of my videos. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.